Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Didi Supriyadi. I am an English teacher at Junior High School Al Hasan Ciamis. I also a student of Pendidikan Profesi Guru dalam Jabatan at Indonesian University of Education 2021. Today, I'd like to share my experience about teaching and learning activities with the theme descriptive text about person. This video is taken today on 6th of December 2021 at 13 o'clock. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, my all students.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
I am fine and you?
Okay, I am very well then. I'm happy to see you again in this meeting, but before we start our lesson, please the captain of the class, Lydia, start for the praying.
Before we start, let's pray together. Rabbi salli sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli ya Fattahu ya Alim.
Okay, thank you, Lydia. Okay, before we start our lesson, as usual, I want to check about the class. Don't forget to bring an English book. Okay, do you bring an English book? Okay, pens? Good. Okay, and dictionary? Aye, thanks. Okay, before we start our lesson, I want to ask who is not coming in this meeting. Present? Everyone? Present? Okay, present. Thank you very much because today the pandemic is not over yet. I want to remind you about the using of protokol kesehatan. But today maybe you are not wearing the mask. It's okay, ya. Oke, kalau sudah berarti kita udah agak sedikit aman ya. Nah, and also you have to prepare for today. And before we start the new material for today, I want to ask you, do you still remember what was the last material?
Greeting.
Okay, Zikrina. Okay, last week?
Greeting, parting, thanking, and apology.
Okay, good. Thank you, Zikrina. Last week, we have learned about greeting, parting, thanking, and apologizing. Thank you. So today, we have a new subject about descriptive text. But before we start, I want you, everyone, please look on the screen. Okay, but before you look on the screen, I want to remind you about the rule of the lesson. The rule of the lesson, the first one, you have to come on time to the class. Yes, don't be late, don't be late. Okay, jangan terlambat. And also, if you have any question, when I teach you, you can raise your hand. Yes, if there is something difficult, you can raise your hand, ask to me. Okay, are you ready? Okay, now please look on the screen. Okay, look. Who is he? Zikrina? Yes, that the picture is me, Mr. Didi. So what kind of information you can describe that the picture is Mr. Didi? Handsome, thank you very much. What else? Huh? Tall, thank you. Beautiful? No, I'm beautiful. I am handsome. Cool? Yes, I am cool. But today is very hot, yes, because we study at 13 o'clock. So today is very hot, but it's okay. We have to go on our lesson. Okay. You say handsome, cool, tall, and then other else? Huh? Okay, thank you. Jadi materi hari ini kita akan belajar tentang today we are going to learn about descriptive text. So, what is learning adjective of descriptive text? The first one, a student able to identify social function, text structure, and linguistic feature. And the second one, you are able to explain about explicit information about descriptive text. Okay. So what is the advantages of learning descriptive text? You know what is an advantages? Manfaat ya. Jadi manfaat mempelajari teks deskriptif adalah, pasti kalian tahu ya, punya yang namanya artis favorit? Ya, punya orang-orang yang kamu suka? Nah, mungkin di TV ya, atau di YouTube ya. Dan kalian ingin mencoba untuk menjelaskan, saya suka dia, ya. Tapi nggak tahu caranya ya. Punya orang-orang yang kamu suka, tetapi caranya tidak tahu ya. Biasanya kita bisa dengan cara apa? Melihatnya. Cirinya mungkin dari jauh. Ya, jauh ya. Apalagi? Ciri dari hawa dan mimpi. Dari ciri fisik juga ya. Ya. Yang pertama adalah knowing the characteristic and description of person, place, and thing. Ya. Tetapi kita fokusnya hari ini adalah tentang orang ya, or person. Yang kedua adalah explain the content of the text of the reader so they feel like hearing, feeling, and seeing. Maksudnya adalah ketika kita mencoba menjelaskan seseorang melalui teks deskriptif, kita itu mencoba untuk meng-sharing apa yang kita rasakan. Example, Zikirina punya artis kesukaan atau suka sama seorang? Iya, Syam ya, misalnya sekelas ya, atau beda kelas. Nah, kita suka itu pasti akan mencoba menjelaskan nih, saya suka dia itu dengan apanya, apakah ganteng atau sebagainya ya, kayak gitu ya. Cool katanya ya, that's good ya. Jadi fokus kita adalah tentang descriptive text, tetapi berfokus terhadap person atau orang. Nah, for our teaching today, there are two assessment. The first one is individual assessment about attitude and skill. You know attitude? Yes, sikap. And skill, what is skill? Kemampuan. And the last one, there are group assessment. So in this session, you will be divided in some group. Yes. The first one of the assessment is knowledge, and also the activeness and creativity during the discussion. Jadi nanti setelah berdiskusi, tolong bisa aktif ya. You understand? Student. So I know everyone will tired because today you have finished the first examination. I know Alifka sleepy, maybe Karen sleepy too, but today we have to be semangat ya. Before we start the main lesson, I want to give you some quiz or ice breaking. Everybody please stand up. Stand up please. Good. Make a space between you. Space, that's good. Over here. Move over here. Good. Make a space. Good. I will tell for adjective. The first one is long. Second one, short. And then big and small. Okay, come on. When I say long, move your hand like this. Long, good. Yes. Short, good. Big. And the last one? Small. Oke, jadi nanti Bapak akan mencoba konsentrasi kalian karena kita udah jam 1 lebih ya. 1:30 harus belajar. Tapi tidak apa-apa, harus tetap semangat. Siap? Oke. Konsentrasi. 1, 2, 3, go. Long. Short. Long. Short. Big. Big. Long. Konsentrasi. Short. Big. Short. Small. Salah. Small. Big. Small. Long. Short. Long. Short. Long. Short. Small. Big. Small. Big. Small. Big. Okay, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Please sit down. Okay, student, let's continue and please look on the screen. Okay. Observe this picture and answer the question. Bapak akan menampilkan beberapa gambar, nanti kalian bisa menebak siapa gambar tersebut. Okay. Who is he? Sorry, who is he? Yeah, Sang Joong Ki. Oke. Kenapa bisa tahu itu Sang Joong Ki? Yes. Aktor from Korea. Oke, ada yang lainnya? Yes? No? Oke, good. He is Sang Joong Ki, a Korean actor. Is he handsome? Okay, very handsome like me. Okay, good. What do you think about him? What do you think about him? Karen? Handsome or no? Handsome, good. How do you describe him? How do you describe him? Ada yang tahu? Bagaimana kamu bisa menjelaskan bahwa dia itu handsome? Dari apanya? Nih? Bisa tahu itu handsome dari mana? Ya, it's good. Hair, apa lagi? Yes. Okay, his face, good. Nih? Eyes, not eyes tapi eyes ya. Kalau eyes itu adalah S, kalau eyes mata. Apa lagi? Oke, dari mata, hair, eyes ya. Itu termasuk ke dalam ciri physical appearance. Oke. What does he look like? Dia seperti apa? Seperti manusia. Yes, because good is human, good. Dia itu handsome, kata kalian juga, betul ya? Oke, good. Now after you look on the picture, so today we are going to learn about descriptive, but we have to, I want to describe the class in 3 groups. Okay, each group consists of 4 students. Oke, nanti kalian sesudah berkelompok, kita akan menjelaskan apa itu deskriptif, kemudian fungsi sosialnya, strukturnya, dan ciri kebahasaan. Oke, sekarang kalian bisa mulai berkelompok, minimal 4 orang. Silakan. Oke, sudah. Ini grup 1. Closer please. Lebih dekat. Oke, good. Group 2. And you are group 3. Oke. Setiap kelompok nanti Bapak akan memberikan sebuah teks tentang Son Joong Ki. Nanti tugas kalian adalah harus menuliskan ciri kebahasaannya, strukturnya, dan juga tentang language feature dari teks deskripsi khususnya tentang version ya. Oke. Ya, ini untuk kelompok pertama. Kelompok kedua. And here for group 3. Okay, let's begin. Bapak sudah membagikan kertas. Di situ ada teks yang berjudulnya. Bisa dibaca? Nih. Coba apa judulnya? Oke, my favorite artist Son Joong Ki. Ya. Oke, Bapak akan nyuruh beberapa kelompok untuk membacakan teksnya. Tolong untuk grup pertama, Neng Salma, dibaca untuk paragraf pertama.
His name is Son Joong Ki.
He was
born September.
September 1985.
1985
Okay.
in
Hmm?
Daejeon, South Korea. He is an actor and model,
Good.
and also a MC in South Korea.
Good.
He is best known for his acting in a television drama and music show host. I really like his acting as Kang Mao in the drama and featured
Nice guy. Bukan gue tapi guy. Thank you. Group 2, please read the text. Lydia. Yes. Louder please. Louder. Keras. He start
in
2000
in his acting in Frozen Flower. He is a handsome
face.
And he is a strong height, and he is a
He has
beautiful
eyes.
Sexy lips,
Sexy lips.
and he is a
White skin.
white skin and regular everything. He also has
Blood.
blood group like him because he
Doesn't.
doesn't like to drink alcohol and smoke. He has a
Fans club.
fans club is called
Ki Aile.
is main area of Son Joong Ki.
Oke, thank you Lydia. Oke, kita akan sama-sama membahas tentang teks tersebut. Yang pertama adalah tentang definition of descriptive text. Please, Karen, what is descriptive text? Karen, what is descriptive text?
Descriptive text is a text that describes particular person, place, and things.
Okay, good, thank you. So, descriptive text is a text that describe about particular person, place, and thing. Tetapi kita hari ini fokusnya ke person, ya. Oke, strukturnya ada 2. Yang pertama adalah, oke. Yang pertama adalah, please, identification. Okay, good. Identifies object to be described. And the second one is description. What is description? Okay, what is description?
Describe parts, qualities, and characteristics.
Good. Describe part, qualities, and characteristic. Nah, biasanya identification itu ada di paragraf pertama. Jadi berisi tentang informasi secara umum tentang tersebut ya. Isinya apa? Ada orangnya, siapa yang dibicarakan ya. Yes, that's good. Kemudian asalnya, good, from Korea. Kemudian pekerjaannya, dia seorang aktor dan model ya. Yang kedua adalah description. Description adalah penjelasan lebih lengkap dari identification. Biasanya ada di paragraf kedua ya. Di situ dijelaskan tentang apa aja di paragraf kedua. Oke, memulai karirnya ya. Apalagi? Ciri dari fisik apa aja? Oke, handsome termasuk ke dalam kata apa namanya? Adjektif. Adjektif itu adalah ya, kata sifat, betul ya. Apalagi yang termasuk adjektif di situ? Apa? Talented. Apalagi? Yes, beautiful eyes. Mata yang cantik. Seperti siapa kalau di sini mungkin matanya? Siapa yang ya, matanya cantik ya. Apalagi? Cool. Cool itu apa? Bisa artinya tapi bisa artinya keren ya, seperti namanya itu. What's your name? Karen is keren ya. Good. Itu termasuk ke dalam adjektif. Berarti selain identification dan description, di dalam description juga ada kata sifat yang menjelaskan tentang ciri fisik Sanjungki. Oke. Good. Oke, setelah kalian membaca teks tersebut ya, di situ ada LKPD, boleh dilihat halaman berikutnya. Oke. Ada lembar kerja peserta didik yang harus kalian diskusikan dengan teman. Yang pertama adalah ada tag yang berjudul My Idol. Yes, good, My Idol. Idola saya, punya idola enggak? Oke. Why are you sleepy? Kenapa ini? Enggak? Oke, semangat ya. Yang tugasnya adalah we have to discuss with your group about social function, identification, and description. Okay. In activity 2, there are 4 sentences you have to rearrange. You know rearrange? You know rearrange? Menyusun ulang kalimat tersebut menjadi sebuah paragraf yang benar. Kemudian di aktiviti 3-nya ada pertanyaan tentang social function, identification, sama description tentang tag yang barusan yang sudah kalian nanti disusun. Oke. Paham? Oke, nanti sesuai ini Bapak akan membagi beberapa kelompok untuk tampil ke depan dan mempresentasikan hasil diskusinya. Bapak kasih waktu 20 menit untuk menjawab soal sesuai dengan apa yang barusan Bapak perintahkan. Silakan mulai. Kalau ada pertanyaan boleh mengangkat tangan ya. Oke. Any question? Group 1? Oke, ini yang harus dikerjakannya. Oke, ini tolong dijawab. Nah, dari sini. Oke, iya. Silakan. Grup T ada masalah? Oke. Oke, finish? Oke. Kalau selesai Bapak akan memanggil perwakilan dari grup pertama untuk tampil ke depan dan membacakan hasil diskusinya. Kemudian grup 2-nya harus menentukan siapa perwakilan dan grup 3 harus menentukan siapa perwakilannya. Oke, kita mulai ya. Dari grup pertama, kalian harus menjawab soal yang paling awal ya. Oke. Supaya bisa mengecek benar atau tidaknya, tolong nanti hasil tiap kelompok salah satunya disilang dengan kelompok yang lainnya. Grup 1 tolong ke sini disilang. Oke, grup 2-nya ke grup 1. Oh, ke grup itu 3. Ke 1 ke sana. Nah, yang grup 3 tolong ke grup 1. Satu aja. Oke. Group 1, please come forward and stand up. Oke. Over here. Nah, gitu ya. Yang lainnya tolong sambil memperhatikan hasil diskusinya. Kalau ada yang tidak sama boleh mengkoreksinya ya. Siap? Oke. Text 1 itu judulnya apa? Ya, text 1 judulnya adalah bahas ini. Iya, judulnya apa? Oke. Soal yang pertama adalah social function. Oke. What is the social function of my idol? Social functionnya adalah?
Childhood.
Good. To describe. Chaun O. You do know who is Chaun O? Gimana sih Bang membacanya? Chaun O ya, itu atas aktor dari mana? Sama ya, dari Korea kayak tadi Son Joong Ki. Jadi yang pertama adalah to describe. Oke, ada yang beda jawabannya? Kelompok 2? Oke, sama kelompok 3? Good, silakan sambil mengecek tugas kelompoknya ya. Nomor 2, identification. Number 1, tolong dibaca soalnya. Who is he? Jawabannya? Shaun Wo. Good. Number 2, please read the question. What is he? Your answer is?
He is a Korean singer.
Good. He is a Korean singer. Number 3, how old is he? He is 24 years old. Good. Now about description. Number 1, please read that question. What does he look like? Jawaban kelompok kalian adalah? Chawono is handsome. Setuju nggak itu jawabannya?
Setuju.
Ya, di teks juga ada ya, Chawono is handsome. Kemudian yang kedua,
What is he like?
what is he like? Jawabannya? Chawono is very talented. Oke. Ada yang beda jawabannya kelompok lain? Tolong disilang, dicek apakah jawaban kelompok 1 salah tidaknya. Ada yang beda? Oke. Good. Now please sit down. Thank you for group 1. Oke, silakan tepuk tangan ya. Nah, gitu. Semangat ayo anak-anak. Now for group 2. Perwakilannya silakan tampil ke depan. Cikrina again. Okay, group 2 for the question B is to rearrange the jumbled sentence into good descriptive text. Okay, boleh ya dibacakan.
I have a best friend. His name is Akan.
Okay.
Is my classmate. Akan is the same as I am. He is 13 years old.
Okay.
He is tall and big head. He is curly hair and brown skin.
Good.
He is wearing a part of glass. His hobby is reading and playing games. When we have spare time, we always play PS together. Most of my friends like Arkan because he is nice boy. He is polite and helpful.
Oke, thank you. Sama nggak itu urutannya? Yang pertama adalah kata my name is
Best friend.
I have a best friend. Yang kedua adalah
Arkan is the same
Oke. Yang ketiganya?
He is tall and ugly.
Good. Yang kalimat keempat?
His hobby is reading and playing games.
Oke, good. Thank you. Ya, silakan duduk. Now for the group 3. Silakan perwakilannya. Karen. Come on. Come over here. Ayo. Yang bagian kelompok 3 adalah dari tag yang arkan ada pertanyaannya tentang social function, identification sama description. Oke, silakan dibaca untuk social function-nya. Karen. Social function.
To describe arkan.
Good, to describe arkan. Ada yang beda? Tidak ada. Number 2, identification. Number 1,
Who is he?
we see.
He is arkan.
Good. Number 2,
What is he? He is a student.
good. Number 3,
How old is he? He is 13 years old.
okay, good. Description. Number 1,
What does he look like?
good.
He is tall and a bit fat. He has curly hair and brown skin.
Okay,
He is wearing a pair of glasses.
okay. Number 2,
What is he like?
what is he like?
He is nice boy and helpful.
Okay, he's nice boy, polite and helpful. Good, thank you for group 3. Itu sih tadi setiap kelompok dalam presentasinya. Setiap kelompok ada jawaban yang salah? Grup 1 ada yang salah? Sama dengan kelompok yang lainnya? Oke, kelompok 2? Ada? Tidak ada. Kelompok 3 juga? Ada nggak?
Tidak.
Oke, Bapak akan memberikan reward yang paling kompak. Semuanya ini terbilang kompak, tapi untuk grup kedua ya, tadi di dalam menyusun kalimatnya tepat dan tidak ada kesalahan dalam mengucapkan pelafalan kata. Jadi untuk reward adalah kelompok ya, kelompok 2 dapat rewardnya. Oke, good. Oke, student, after you got a discussion, now I will give you an individual assessment. You have to answer about the descriptive text. Okay, before you answer the question, look at your paper sheet. There are 5 questions. You have to answer from number 1 to number 5, and I'll give you 10 minutes to finish the task. Begin. Please write your name over here. Okay. Write your name. Okay, finish? Okay, alhamdulillah ya. Now I will collect your paper sheet. Don't forget to write your name at the paper sheet. Come on. I will check about your individual assessment. I have some game for you or quiz. This quiz name guessing game. Jadi permainannya adalah mendeskripsikan beberapa nama. Kalian nanti boleh mengacungkan tangan. Nanti ada reward buat kalian ya. Are you ready? Okay. Okay, question number 1. Guess who is she or he based on the description below. Number 1. He is tall. He has short hair. He is very popular in Indonesia. Okay. He is our president. Yes, Joko Widodo. Yang lainnya sama? Oke, sama ya bisa ya. Oke, good. Number 2. Oke. She is an actress. Okay. She is a beautiful. She act in film Ikatan Cinta. Oke, good. Semuanya bisa ya? Oke, semuanya menjawab soalnya. Oke, jadi number 1 adalah Jokowi. He is our president. He is very popular in Indonesia. Number 2, Manopo. He is an actress. Okay, thank you. And I will give you reward. I have some chocolate. Do you like chocolate? Okay, thank you. Is for you. Are you happy? Okay, thank you. So before we close our lesson today, I would like to ask you about conclusion, what we have learned. Anyone now want to try to conclude our lesson today, of our lesson? Yes, sama.
Description.
Okay, good.
Identification.
Identification. Okay, good. Hari ini kita belajar tentang descriptive text. Oke, descriptive text itu apa? Coba, Neng. Apa descriptive text? Ayo. Oke. Is text to describe particular person. Oke. Tag dari siapa? Particular person, place or thing. Tapi hari ini kita fokus to the person. Ya. Do you find some difficulties in our lesson today? Oke, thank you so much. Mudah-mudahan kalian bisa memahami materi hari ini. And for the next meeting, we are still going to learn about descriptive, but we are focused to the place and thing. Dan ada tugas buat kalian di rumah, ya. Silakan nanti cari dari media lain, dari internet tentang contoh tag deskriptif berupa place or thing. Okay. I think time is up, but before we close our lesson, please the captain of the class to lead the prayer. Okay, thank you so much for today. See you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.